But I don't know if it's still recording, man. Ah, it had stopped recording and I didn't even know. So I talked about so much that how this artificial plant inspired all these all natural plants in my home aquarium. It's like a plant aquarium, guys. And that one climbs up wherever. So stairway to heaven. Connected with ropes. It's always good to connect plants to ropes and not your necks. What can you do though? It's Kali Yuga. That's where my cat shits. Let's see how to get zoom on this thing. How to get zoom, Zopro. I named my GoPro Galactic Pet because I believe that technology is an artifact of a civilization way beyond our earth. Because how does any of this work? You know how the receiver signal from my voice to your screen in an audio-visual mode reaches your device. Now you must think there must be some engineers who know it, but do you know it? Are you part of the human civilization? Humans have discovered smartphones. Do you know how to operate one? Do you know how Wi-Fi works? I don't know. So I'm guessing it's the aliens, dude. They just found a way to... I don't like the fisheye effect it has, but the aliens, they found a way to evolve the human civilization by giving some apes some technology. And it's good because you see what happens is we are not so telepathically strong. We are not so telepathically strong that we can send a message from here to another enlightened being 2,000 kilometers away. So what we gotta do is we just gotta send a text, man. Or imagine if you were meeting with someone from another country. He's come to your country and now you guys want to meet up. He's into enlightenment, elimination of desires, all the states of consciousness. But then what happens is, like, how do you communicate? You guys are not so evolved in your sadhana that you can just like shoot out of your third eye and communicate like, this is the GPS location, man, come here. So what you gotta do, the aliens, they gave us this phone, right? They gave us this GoPro and the Galactic family, and then it's just a theory, don't quote me on this. So what happens is, okay, we're gonna meet at Starbucks, yeah? So if we meet at Starbucks, and I came there, and I didn't even talk with you. I didn't see your face, I didn't listen to your voice. We just communicated through our phone, and you knew exactly where you had to come. Like, if you were just hanging out in Starbucks without knowing, there's another being who's into the spiritual woo that I'm in, and then he just shows up at Starbucks, it would be like miracle. Or if he just said something about, like, you know, you posted a picture about your mother yesterday, then he would be like, how did you have the means to see that? Obviously because he posted it on Instagram and everybody is on Instagram. But do you get it? So it's alien technology, dude. It's far beyond our monkey minds to understand anyways. I can hear the voices of some of my college friends being like, you just a fucking ape. You just wanna revive nature before we kill it and go off to Mars. But this looks like outer space plant to me. You will know, in time you will know. So I'm gonna see if the mic works. This was just a video recorded for the purpose to check my mic. None of the words said in this video are any intention to bring down the system or to bring down the way of life, the mainstream way of life. None of the words intended are to open you up or wake you up into another dimension of reality. So sleep, my people. Drink the toothpaste, get some fluoride in your head. Ignorance is bliss. Another day on planet Earth, baby. Waka!